Disadvantages of slate flooring. What to know before you install. Dear friends, slate flooring is admired for its natural beauty and strength, but it also comes with several drawbacks that homeowners should consider before installation. One of the main disadvantages of slate flooring is its high cost. Both the material and installation can be expensive compared to other flooring options like ceramic or vinyl. Slate is also heavy, which means the subfloor must be strong enough to support its weight, adding extra preparation work and cost. The surface of slate is hard and cold, making it less comfortable to walk on, especially in cooler climates. Additionally, the stone requires regular sealing to prevent stains, water absorption, and color fading. Without proper sealing, slate can easily become dull or discolored over time. Another issue is its uneven texture. While the natural cleft surface gives slate its rustic charm, it can make cleaning more difficult and may not suit every room in the home. The color variations found in slate tiles, though visually appealing, can make it challenging to achieve a uniform look across large spaces. Finally, if a tile becomes cracked or damaged, finding an exact replacement can be difficult due to natural differences between batches. In conclusion, slate flooring offers lasting elegance but requires high maintenance, careful installation, and a larger budget, making it less ideal for those seeking low maintenance or affordable flooring options. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.